Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to publish a report in Power BI. In the previous video, we had created a sales dashboard. If you had not watched that video, then click on above link. If you're new to Power BI, it's a powerful business analytics service by Microsoft that allows you to connect, analyze, and visualize data. In this video, we'll be walking through the steps of publishing a report in Power BI so you can share it with your team or clients. Let's get started. The first step to publishing a report in Power BI is to create a report. We have a report ready which we had created in a previous video. Make sure that your report has been fully developed and that it's ready to be shared. Once you've finished creating your report, it's important to save it. To save your report, click on the File tab and then click on Save or Save As if you want to save a copy with a different name or location. Make sure to save your report in a location that you can easily access later. After saving your report, it's time to publish it. To do this, click on the Publish button in the Home tab. You will be prompted to sign in to your Power BI account. You can sign Power BI account from your office email or university email. Here we cannot use our Gmail account or Yahoo or any other account. We need to have a corporate or any university account. I will be putting my account. Once you're signed in, we need to give it a few seconds in order to get it loaded. Select the workspace where you want to publish your report. You can also choose to create a dashboard or add your report to an existing dashboard. Finally, it's time to publish your report. Click on the Publish button. Once it's uploaded, you'll receive a notification that your report has been successfully published, and that's it. You've successfully published your report in Power BI. In the next video, we will be discussing how to export the report in Power BI service. Now, you can share your report with your team or clients and collaborate on the insights you've discovered. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.